Is it really worth paying for Canva Pro? Should you just stick to the free account or should you hire a designer? What's the best thing to do if you want to design like a pro on social media? Watch this video to know if you should pay for Canva Pro or if you should just stick to the free version. Hi everyone, I'm Jessica Madrazo, your digital Dapawenya, and welcome to my channel where we talk about business, marketing, and all of those different things online. Being in the digital marketing field means learning a lot of tools in order to stay on top of the game. Compared to other industries, the social media marketing world keeps on changing on a daily basis, which is why you need tools that can change almost just as fast. This is one of the reasons why our team uses Canva. A lot of people already know how great it is as a free tool. But is it worth subscribing for the pro version? One of the few frustrations that I have in my career is that I didn't take the time to learn Photoshop. Content is vital for social media, which means we create and upload images and videos almost on a daily basis. And since I don't know how to use Photoshop, I use Canva instead, and I'm not the only one who's already very happy with the results. Here are some of the features that I really love about Canva Pro. Canva's free version already gives you access to a lot of photos, vectors, and animation. However, if you're using Canva to design for a client, you tend to already recycle what's available. So once you already subscribe to Canva Pro, they give you access to even more photos and more vectors and animations that you can use for your design. It even allows you to upload your own font just in case it's not available in their system. So that gives you more flexibility when it comes to your design and, avoiding recycling looks for your clients and for the other social media accounts that you handle. Canva's templates are amazing, especially if you don't exactly have an eye for design. Our team, we don't really use the templates as is. We tend to customize them if we do use them because we're trying to avoid that template look. But if you don't really have anyone skilled enough, if you're not skilled enough yourself, the built-in templates are already really great for your campaign. So the free Canva account gives you 8,000 templates to choose from. However, if you're subscribed to the Pro account, it has 20,000 templates. That is more templates that you can probably use for all of your campaigns and all of your clients. You can even create a design and save it as a template, which means that you don't have to create a copy every time you want to use the same look. The brand kit section in Canva is where you can save your logo, your fonts, and also your branding colors. So the free version only allows you to save 3 colors for your brand. Canva Pro, on the other hand, allows you to save even more colors, just in case your brand has several colors that it uses for your marketing collaterals. And it doesn't just serve as a guide. If you're already on your design, all you have to do is click on a button and it automatically changes the colors and fonts. So all you have to do is just upload your logo and it already carries your branding. It's a complete idiot's guide to design. Folders is a pretty basic feature, but I highly recommend using it if you're not using it yet. Folders really keep your files, your images, etc. organized. But another use for folders is for collaboration. So just in case you're managing a team, it makes it easier for you to save all those files and templates in a single folder to your team. Another way that you can collaborate using folders is to share it with your client and allow for live comments and approvals from them. If you're subscribed to Canva Pro, storage is also one of the great things that you can get. Canva Pro gives you 100 gig of storage, so there's no need to delete any images and designs just in case. The Content Planner is a new-ish feature from Canva. So although it was designed to be the easier online version of Photoshop, because a lot of people really use Canva for social media. It now comes with a content planner that allows you to schedule and upload your images and videos from Canva directly to your social media accounts. Again, this is an exclusive Pro feature. Right now, Facebook allows you to upload for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Slack, and Tumblr. Another super helpful and another one of my favorite features on Canva Pro is the magic resize. So one of the biggest time-consuming things for us is to change the size, the dimensions of our design to be ideal for either Facebook, and then we need it for Instagram, and then My Day, and then you want it on your stories, and you also want it to post on Pinterest and on LinkedIn. So with just a click of a button, Canva has a magic resize that automatically resizes your design for the platform that you choose. So you don't need to manually change the size and then fix the layout just to be able to post on other platforms. Before I started using Canva Pro, whenever I needed a transparent background for an image that I want to use, what I have to do is to send it to my team and ask them to remove the background, and then they send it back to me. So it's a hassle, especially if they're very busy. With Canva Pro, all you have to do is upload the photo, click on transparent background, and Canva automatically removes the background on the photo. For me, this is one of the reasons why it's very helpful to subscribe to Canva Pro. Once your design is complete, of course, you would want the best possible quality for your images and videos. Canva Pro allows you to choose the download size once your design is ready so that you can get the best quality. So to conclude, is it really worth paying for a Canva Pro subscription? I personally think that yes, it is, especially if, number one, you're a social media manager, number two, you have a business and you're managing the social media account yourself, and number three, if you have design needs and you can't really afford a designer yet. So Canva is cheaper than a designer, and then the Canva Pro has a lot of features that you can use, especially if you don't know how to use Photoshop. It makes your design look a lot better compared to if you have to manually design them yourself. I have always loved Canva way back years ago when it had a lot less features, and I love it even more now, especially that they're adding a lot of features and tools that I can use, especially for my social media needs. My team and I highly recommend it, and if you want to try Canva Pro first, just click on my affiliate link below to try out these amazing features free for a month. So I hope this helped you decide whether or not to pay for Canva Pro. It really depends on your design needs, so just weigh your options. So I'm Jessica Madrazo, your digital dupawenyo, and don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe for more tricks and tips on using Canva.